When your robot vacuum runs over dog mess, not only does it ruin the robot, but it makes a mess everywhere. As you can see with mud, it's making a mess everywhere. And it just completely ruined your robot. And now it's putting streaks on your floor. And it gets the mop pad extremely dirty. So it gets into those crumbs and crannies and completely ruins your robot vacuum. So that's why you shouldn't let your robot run over dog mess. Otherwise, it will make a mess everywhere.
You get my fucking